Hi, and welcome to my video on phylogenetics and phylogenetic trees. Phylogenetics is the study of evolutionary relationships between species, which are shown through the use of phylogenetic trees. In this example, we will be looking at the species of types of drinkware. As seen here, this is the tree for different types of drinkware. The types pictured on the right are OTUs, or operational taxonomic units. These range from types of species to alleles of a gene. This tree is also considered rooted because all come from a common ancestor that starts here. This tree has internal nodes that show where the most recent common ancestor existed before divergence, which you can see circled. Now looking at our tree specifically, the first point of divergence occurred between glass and ceramic drinkware. The mug made of ceramic diverged first, making that our outgroup since it falls outside the clade being studied of glasses, but is still closely related. Now to continue, the next divergence was between handled glasses and non-handled glasses. In the handled glasses, we have a beer mug and a teacup, which diverge between hot drinks and cold drinks. In the non-handled, that's diverged into stems and no stems. In the stem glasses, we have Weizen glasses, which hold alcohol, and Collins glasses that do not. In the stemmed glasses, that diverged into long-stemmed and short-stemmed. In the short-stemmed, we have curvy glass versus a straight glass, which was the hurricane glass and the champagne flute. And in the long stem glasses, we have wine glass, which was U-shaped, and a cocktail glass, which was V-shaped. When a species splits into two different types, that is called cladogenesis. One goes into two and separates. On the other hand, evolutionary changes can cause a change within a single lineage over time called angiogenesis. This occurs in all species to develop speciation. For example, cladogenesis happens at each internal node, so one splits into two and separates. Angiogenesis would be if you followed the top line all the way up and you have continual change, but it all occurs in one species. Here are my sources, and thanks for watching.